this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you a few fresh net blouse designs. These are so trendy that you can wear with any type of sari, being it net, chiffon, georgette or even with Banarsi silk one. And also you can replace this net with any kind of transy fabric like chiffon, georgette to make these new patterns. So continue watching the video till the end without skipping. I'm sure you will get some idea about the sari stylings too. So that's all for today. I hope you like these trendy blouse designs. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.